Okay. Okay, I'm still getting used to this, so bear with me. But, what do you call it? I'm getting ready for the Tinā premiere today at Garden City. So, I'm excited for that. This is what I'm wearing. Wait, see? Because I don't know how to use this camera. I don't know how to... Yeah, no. This is why I'd rather use my phone. Anyways, well, this is what I'm wearing. Just a, you know, plain bule tasi. I was looking for some earrings. And you know what? To be honest, I wish I got my makeup done. I was going to get my makeup done, but then I was like, nah, it's nighttime. Like, we're in the cinemas. Like, why do I need my makeup done? But I woke up with a pimple on my face, like a big fat one, and I'm like, bruh. Anyway, so yeah, I'll be vlogging it and take you guys with me. What is going on here? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I changed my hair and I think I'm gonna change my earrings. She's having a wardrobe malfunction. Like, even my face. There's Leanne and Fussy. No, that's why I'm wearing the glasses to cover it. So, as you can see, we're on our way to the Tinā premiere. There's Logan and Missy. Excuse me, where's your son?
Yeah.
Leanne, look. Can you see it?
Oh,
damn! Damn! She had to do
She's got a pimple.
I know, I was like, this is not the day for this.
Something's happening. Anyways, we'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Oh my.
Say hi, ladies. So we're here at Garden City.
Ready to go eat some grubby?
Yes, our first stop is going to see Grubbies because why not?
Before I get so busy.
Okay, if you're watching this and you are here, we'll see you soon. So, show me your outfit. Hey. Okay, do I see what's more?
Japan yan.
Yeah, I'll have my little sister one.
Ja, lewa po ilaka leo falifa. Alright, got the photographer, Mr. Gongu. Yeah.
Thank you. Come to see.
So we're just out here at the Westfield Cinemas out here in Garden City, guys. We got the man, the myth, the legend. So what's your dad? He's not coming. So you're the apprentice, see? Hey? What's your name?
Kingston.
This is Kingston, man. This is the man. What's Jerry? Jerry's your dad? Yeah. He's gonna play for Broncos soon. Silly. Hey, Jake, what's happening? So, get this guy. Leo tato fatashi male sunga li puli. Ale. How you mean? Just say say a few words for the brothers out there.
Hello. Welcome. What's this for?
This is for the Tinā premiere. Just the actual camera. See, if
Those are the cameras that they hide in the thing when they're looking at everyone.
It's the Grubbies owner, man.
Welcome everyone to the Tinā premiere. Proud to be here today. Grubbies proud to be here to service everyone here for our people, our sound people. I love it. It's beautiful.
Yo.
We don't usually do stuff like this, but I think it falls in line with who we are and what we're trying to, create and show to our younger generation. So we had to be a part of it. Even though it's very difficult to do these things, I'm still happy.
Thank you, brother. We can't wait to eat.
Yeah, half an hour. Should be nearly there.
Okay, yeah. Come on. Yeah.
that the main one, is it?
I'm not sure. Trying to get in so I can go watch the Bronx.
All I know is
Do you want,
downstairs.
we're going to watch the Bronx play?
Mike
Yes.
Mouse.
So the girls are just putting down the pink carpet. And then we got Bandemba at the back. They're performing at 6:55, I think. I thought it was 5 stars, but it's. I think. Are you sure? Oh.
Find a spot for the performances.
Well, ready, yeah. Right at the front. Yeah, that's a good idea. Tape it down. Got a few hummels coming through that will destroy the carpet. I don't even know why. I took my shoes off. Like, that's what you call real fresh. No, I took my shoes off. I know. Like, why did I do that? Let's go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, quick. Yeah.
You were the main actor for the show.
How's the what?
How was the movie when you were producing it and acting in it? Huh?
That's so good. We got Grubbies at 5:30. That's in 20 minutes.
Yeah. So, how much money did you make from this movie?
Obviously not enough because we're sitting in normal seats of the golf class.
Beauty and the Beast here.
1, 2.
The Beast was too racist to wear Samoan attire. Racist. Gonna go back downstairs to Grubbies. Need to do our order. We're gonna go do our order now.
I've been wearing
New pair, sewn by the one and only Leslie
from Woodward.
Woodwork.
But I was gonna wear one of my old ones, but I always wear it. You know, need a new pair.
I went to go wear a new pair. It was a new dress for my mother-in-law. But tell me, why did she get me size 16?
She's into how to lose weight. She's too damn big.
What else? Got Princess over here, looking all fly.
Sunday best.
Show us your split. Thanks for joining our vlog. I know, right? It's so nice. I want like another split over here. Nice to see. Hi, Nissi. Say hi to the vlog. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Turn this around. Press the button.
Shimmy.
I actually can't see anything because of these glasses.
Wait, same here. Literally can't even see. It's so dark.
But that's okay. We're gonna make it work. So we'll just show it back to the front.
Where to get the tickets from, Jenny?
To go to. Why is it like this?
I just put the bike
Oh.
That's what we should have done.
Grubbies. We just seen our cousin Cassandra and her daughter Ava. Hi, Sissy. Hello. You look beautiful. Hi, Ava. Just used to. Oh, cute. Hi, darling. How are you? Say hi to our vlog. Sis, say hi to our vlog.
Oh, hello. No, we need him different. Someone's already taking it. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Sorry. I'm just going to move back.
I can't see it.
I know, it was like...
Oh, sorry, bro.
Man, sorry, go ahead, man.
I was like, oh,
Why you 5-0, man? 5-0.
thank you. You're not gonna assume I was like, sorry.
This is Bandembo Methodist Church, Samoan Methodist Church. Meko Strong. Wait, I'm trying to get everyone. Huh?
Make go hard, baby.
And then they come forward.
Be
inside Cinema 3, and when we booked the ticket there was one spare seat, and then some loner booked it, and here we are. It just happened to be Baba. And that's Fusia Missy. How do I zoom in, bruh? Oh, can't zoom in. But yeah. Oh, and we got complimentary. I don't know how to put the camera down, like to record. Got complimentary drink and popcorn.
If you're wanting seconds, let me know. I'll be with it.
Yeah, Logan got a spare drink and a spare popcorn. What did you tell them?
I'm holding it for someone.
Wow. Alright, the movie's finished. Now we're waiting for, do you reckon they're gonna do it? Yeah, the Q&A? Did you turn your phone off? Oh.
Oh, what's the game, mate?
What's up? I can't scroll down. Logan's trying to tune into the game.
Oh.
Huh? So how do you zoom in? No, I'm trying to video call them. Yeah. Because I don't know. It's like all the way up here. I don't know how to, sorry, turn around. Oh my gosh, hold on.
Introduce our director and one of our main characters, Miki Mangasiva and Biula Kuale. Please put your hands together.
He's from Hawaii Five-0. Does she have like a DJ or something to play some music?
So quiet.
You guys alright?
Yes.
What inspired you to tell the story of Tinā?
I've always loved doing Pacific stories. I feel like our stories are unique and different, and offer up something that potentially the world hasn't seen very much of. We don't get to make these films very often, they don't come around too often, so a bit of uniqueness out to the community and the environment is always good. Paying homage and respect to our parents and our mothers especially. My mum was inspirational to my life. I find her hilarious in telling us off in the way they raised us. And so to showcase that up on the big screen and to honour my parents and the sacrifices they made for us has always been an ambition of mine.
A lot of us, our grandmothers have those, and I hadn't seen that in so long. And that's how I knew. I was like, oh yeah, a Samoan roller, because if it was a balangi, go into your walk-in wardrobe. But yeah, so I just want to thank you for including those nuances into the film. My next question is for you, Biula. Before I hand it over to you guys, is what scene or was there any type of thing that stood out to you during the filming process? Anything at all?
Nah, Mickey and the whole Mangasiva family are kind of they're like my big brothers. And it wasn't just a particular scene, like even now I'm just honored to be a part of it, and honored that I can go around with him and represent our people, and our people can turn up and want to turn up and watch themselves on screen and want to leave the cinema proud to be Samoan, to be Polynesian, to be whoever you are, and to see their culture represented well. So I guess the scene
How come it's facing
at the top to do that. Now it's very difficult to just have people up the top there when you.
What an awesome film. You can see it tonight. The movie was sold out
like within days. So just to go to show, our Samoan people will always back up Samoans. So marufo fupa. I'm from Christchurch. I moved over after the earthquake. So I was very emotional to see that at the beginning of the movie. Bring back a lot of memories when it happened and where I was at the exact time. So watching that on film, it brought back a lot of memories, and I had a bit of a teary moment crying next to my wife. Just for FYI, the Crusaders beat Hurricanes tonight, but that's okay.
Shut up, Joshi.
I just wanted to ask, what made you pick Christchurch and the earthquake as the storyline? Because I always watch Samoan films, always Auckland-based or Hamilton or Wellington.
That's a good question.
Grey Lynn, Grey Lynn Methodist here for some reason. But that's my question. How come you picked Christchurch and the earthquake? Thank you.
Because it's the best city in New Zealand. Is that
That's enough cupcake.
Well, we're so grateful once again for each and every one of you for being here tonight with us. We're also grateful to you here for coming all the way into Australia to help us tell some Logan stories, because you know, these New Zealand stories are stopped here. We're so grateful for your time, and yeah, we just want to give another round of applause for our
Okay, that was it. That was it. Okay, now to look for everyone. Just around.
See our people on the big screen.
Did you like the movie?
It was awesome, man. Good to see our people on the
What do
big
you
screen.
rate it?
Interesting, kept me engaged. So I'll probably give it an 8.
I gave it a 7. I'm the same. I liked watching our people on the big screen. It was funny, so I gave it a 7. Everyone that had gone and seen it, they all said the same thing. Take tissues, you're gonna cry. So sad. Like, yeah, it is. Oh, is that so? Oh, look. Okay, wait, I'll be back. Wait, I'm just gonna quickly like.
You.
Huh? Are you sure? 3, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. I just took several. Yakama LCB.
Thank you. Yeah, your phone. Take phone.
Oh shoot.
Get off now.
Dead. Nah, me and my grubbies. For real, like, what are you doing? Take heaps. Hey, one of me. Huh? Lee, come. Hurry. Oh, sorry. What's this thing? Can you get a full one? No. Okay, one of... she doesn't like my photos. So I hope someone's taking photos. Oh. Yeah. That was the blood. Yeah.
That was good. How do I turn this camera around?
Oh, yeah.
May I feel that long here? I'm going to want someone like that.
Show me? Oh, yeah.
So, thank you very much.
That was a good question, though.
What an awesome movie. I enjoyed it. Here with family. Ngale lima o lima. Mga wingala ngale lima fo ila stars. Awesome. Good to be here.
I know, but it mentioned. Oh, small. One of them's my name.
Yeah.
Oh, no, let's go. Sorry.
Whoa.
Did we take a drink?
Oh, put it in time.
Hiya.
We're trying to get him.
Ya, ke awa ofu moana. Ai le masangi ai. Ai. Ke awa ofu. So so I know those actors and the director from back in the days. It's been well, look at Carlo, made him go man. I think I'm gonna buy me one. So who's this? This is a sick you, man.
But it's 2012. The game, half time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're losing. So no one wants to go home. Oh.
Ja, we gaan vakken zien. Best camera. We gaan vakken zien wanneer ze meer puur.
Ja.
Puur. Beetje ding. Maar maak nee, waar bij je? Ja, best wel leuk nu. Wat je wil? If you're so big a ball.
Yeah, sorry, Beulah. How do I control the sauce?
Oh, use the analog.
This thing?
Yeah, just
The rest here?
That's alright, because
Oh man,
that's what I said. Wait, I'll show you guys awful. Because I honestly thought you were ringing a bell.
Good seeing you, cuz.
Everyone looks so cute. So Samoan. So Samoan. Can I have... Huh? Tinā number 2. Fato lost her earrings. Wow, lianga umake unga ka aka me. Tinā, koe maua sisi kakalinga next time. Alright, now we're off. Logan's in a rush because he wants to watch the second half of the Broncos game. Like, rude. We were trying to recap of the movie. Didn't even say goodbye to Bubba. I didn't say goodbye to Bubba. I lost everyone when we were walking.